9 o'clock right now, so let's get changed. This is my outfit today. It is an Argyle sweater. I made myself a skater skirt. I have no idea where it's from. And some pineapple socks. Let's go!
Smelling sweat and kerosene.
This is Aldreena. We're going to show.
Call my parents up, tell them I'm not coming home. So long silent movies.
We're at Secret Lift right now. What floor? We're gonna take photos. We're at a car park right now.
Trying to find a place to take photos.
And we found the stand. It's going great, you know? We are at the top of the mall. We're walking around to see where to take. Liar! I don't want to take.
But we also can.
Yeah. Hi. I'm recording.
Tell them I'm already home. But I swear I've seen my share.
So we just finished. So we're taking photos at Daiso.
So long silent movies and all the talking in between. Cleaning dust off of the press box and fixing broken tape machines.
So we're going to Monkai. Oh, Monkey Monkai. Whatever it's called.
Much of anything at all. But I can't see those marquee lights that are hanging on the wall. But I swear I've seen my share of black and white.
Says we're in the lift and it's empty because social distancing. Oh my god. We got socks and we're wearing. Okay, let's go 1 night. We're going to Monkey. We have to do this for every store. Got it.
No, I ain't never gonna talk again. I ain't never gonna talk again. No, I ain't never gonna talk. I ain't never gonna talk. I ain't never gonna talk. I ain't never gonna talk.
We're taking more photos.
Yeah.
Where you want to go now? Oh, you're actually gonna get?
Yeah, I want a lemonade.
She's getting another lemonade.
I got passion fruit.
Oh, okay.
This is me. This is Aldreena. It is like 4:30 right now. So, bye.